So, this is it. This is the Commodore, the all raved about Australian hero car. Everyone loves them, not really. But it's a Series 2, so it has the later higher output 3.6, even though it's a 3.6 still, so cries and timing chain. I picked it up alright. Old mate had a crash, so his loss is my gain. It needs a little bit of TLC, very satisfying tool. But as you can see, if you come around the front just a little bit here, I'm missing my front bumper, my headlight, and my this bit, the fender. Needs a new windscreen, cracks it even more. Yeah. So this is it. It's in metallic silver. The interior, I should probably open that again because I wanted to show you, is fairly nice. Excuse the mess because it has been, I would say, abused, but I don't know the previous owner, so yeah, we'll find out. A fairly nice interior for its age, 9 years old, so I don't expect it to be brand new, but still it's going to hold up for itself. 6-speed manual, has to be a manual because autos can't have them, they're just boring to drive. Rear wheel drive, electric windows, climate control, dual zone climate control actually. So this side of the car can be one temperature and the other's another. Oh, I'm gonna tell everyone, I swear. And then right, this is the most important bit. Actually, almost the most important bit. It has X-Force exhaust, cat back, so it still has the cats, don't defect me. It's got a big wang. I know it's stock, don't make fun of me, but it's a wang nonetheless. But look at this sticker. Ready? That says E85. That's race fuel. Yeah, it's gonna go vroom. Cries in Commodore fuel cap. But it has K&N air filter, but whatever, that's nothing special. MCA coilovers installed by our local Fulcrum shop, so they've been put in properly. But yeah, hopefully you guys can follow us in my journey of well, fixing this car, bringing it back up to what I like to think of as a almost new standard. Oh, before I end it, I'll show you the damage. So this, old mate had some fun in the wet, as you do in a Commodore, and the front bumper is no longer front bumper. It is spaghetti. And the bit that I still can't remember, the fender, yes, is just a little bit crimpled. I think I've seen tissue paper fold out better than this has. So that won't be going back on the car anytime soon. It is kaput. But yes, Series 2 loves it. So yeah, that's it for today, I think, anyway. We'll see. Might pull some parts off it just to see the damage and stuff like that, but yeah. Until another video then, guys. Thanks for checking in.